Figure 4. This is figure 4. You can see. Find the area of figure 4, the shaded region. For us to find the area of figure 4, it is very easy. First, we can break this figure into two other plane figures, that is a rectangle and a trapezium. Such, you can break it here. So I'll use my pen to make broken lines from this point downward, as such way that these two lines are perpendicular. That means they meet at an angle of 90 degrees. ABCF, you can see, is a rectangle. FE is the same as CB. AB is the same as FC. FEDC is a trapezium. Now we can easily find the area of the shaded region, or the area of figure 4. We have been told from the question the length from A to E is 6 meters, from B to C is 4 meters. It simply means from F to E will simply be 6 meters minus 4 meters, which is 2 meters. So this length is 2 meters. We take the solution. For us to calculate the area of shaded region, it will simply be equal to the area of rectangle ABCF plus the area of the trapezium FEDC. Area of figure 4 is equal to area of A prime plus the area of B prime. Remember, A prime is our trapezium, B prime is the rectangle. So this will simply be equal to area of trapezium plus area of rectangle. And this will simply be equal to the area of a trapezium is simply given by a half sum of the parallel sides. These are the parallel sides, this and this. 4 meters plus FC is 6 meters. 4 meters plus 6 meters times the height. The height is simply EF, which is 2 meters. If you take 6 meters minus 4 meters, it gives you 2 meters times 2 meters plus the area of rectangle, the rectangle EFCB, which is we are going to take the length 6 meters times the width, which is 4 meters. So 6 meters times 4 meters. This will simply be equal to a half times 4 meters plus 6 meters gives us 10 meters times 2 meters plus 6 meters times 4 meters gives us 24 meters squared. This will be equal to 10 meters divided by 2 meters gives us 5 meters times 2 meters plus 24 meters squared. This will be equal to 5 meters times 2 meters gives us 10 meters squared plus 24 meters squared. And this will simply be equal to 10 meters squared plus 24 meters squared gives us 34 meters squared. Therefore, 34 meters squared is the area of figure 4 above, this shaded figure. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, you leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.